We've tried Amazon FBA for 4 years, and in those 4 years, we've generated $25 million in sales. These are the 6 things Amazon sellers don't tell new sellers. 1. Amazon is not passive income. Despite what you see online, Amazon is not passive income. Can you do it from anywhere in the world? Yes, but you still have to source suppliers, source inventory, manage your shipment, and manage your seller account. Only at scale, you can take a step back from the day-to-day when you have processes, systems, and people. Even then, it's not fully passive. 2. Amazon takes time and effort. Yes, you could get your first few sales very quickly, but to see and make decent amount of money, you need to put in consistent effort every single day to see results that you are proud of. 3. You don't have to create your own brand and purchase products from Alibaba. There are 3 models on Amazon that you can start with. 1 is the private label model. It has the highest profit margins, but it takes the most upfront costs to get started. 2 is the arbitrage model. This is when you go into a retail store like Walmart or Target, purchase a product, and then resell it on Amazon. The pros with the arbitrage model are very little upfront cost and the ability to learn the Amazon ecosystem with very little risk. The cons are it's not a scalable business and it's very time consuming. 3rd is the wholesale model, and it's what we do. The wholesale model is when you purchase a name brand product directly from the brand or an authorized supplier of the brand and resell it on Amazon. The pros of the wholesale model are great cash flow, it's a scalable business, and it's low to medium upfront costs. The cons to the wholesale model are low margins, and it's not a turnkey business. If this video is bringing you value, hit the like button and comment below. The 4th thing Amazon sellers don't tell new sellers is you don't need a lot of money to start Amazon FBA. You can start the wholesale model with just $5,000. Now, will it take you longer to scale? Absolutely, but you just got your foot in the door to a profitable business with just $5,000. Number 5, you can use credit cards to scale. You don't need thousands of dollars saved to purchase inventory. You can use credit cards and leverage debt to scale. Now, be careful when using credit cards because things can go south very quickly. So make sure you do your research and purchase profitable items with healthy margins. Number 6, you can get your Amazon account back if it gets suspended. Long as you didn't do anything crazy or violate Amazon's terms of service knowingly and intentionally, there's always a solution to a problem. I remember when we first got suspended, it was very stressful. However, we were proactive and we hired an attorney, also hired a consulting service like Riverbend Consulting to write our appeals for us to reverse the suspension. So don't worry about getting suspended, there's always a solution to the problem. Now that you know the 6 things Amazon sellers won't tell new sellers, how do you take the first step to start your Amazon FBA wholesale business? Well, you're in luck. We created a free Amazon FBA starter course that walks you through everything from creating your Seller Central account to getting your first sale. Honestly, this is the best Amazon FBA starter course on the market and it's packed with value. The link is in the description, and as always, don't forget to subscribe.